Made of the highest quality materials. Camping cooking supplies cookware. Another quality Coleman product. Avoid the mess of spilling your Coleman liquid fuel with help from a Coleman filter funnel. Just slide it into the fuel tank on your Coleman liquid fuel stove or lantern and start pouring. The vented end speeds up the process by letting air out, and a removable filter in the bottom blocks any debris from getting into your appliance. When you're done, store it in the included resealable bag to keep the fuel from getting on your other gear. Features: stops filling at correct fuel level, great for use with liquid fuel stoves or lanterns, resealable storage bag, not for use with peak 1 or ultralight gear appliances. Top reviews from the United States. A must for your Coleman camp gear. Anyone with a Coleman stove or lantern needs one of these little gems. This will be the second one I've owned. The only reason I bought another is that the filter in the bottom got eaten by moths or some critter that lives on rocket fuel a while back, and I am thinking the filter is important for keeping gunk out of your valuable camping equipment. Filling your stove or lantern tanks with this funnel is easy, even with one of those square, metal fuel containers made by some local fiend with his own 3 hands. I've tried filling my Coleman stove tank sans funnel and it's nearly impossible without spilling highly flammable fuel on your hands, the fuel tank itself, and elsewhere, i.e. everywhere, even with a small receptacle of fuel. Just get one. You can thank me later when you're not smelling of white gas and putting out flames with whatever's handy.